Hello, all. You already know about this website, Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator 2026 website. Okay, in this website, why I was able to discuss about from this here, there is a option called bonus where you can get extra 10 bonus points. Okay, to enroll to get that 10 bonus points. What are the eligibility criteria? What are the step-by-step process? I'll tell you. Okay, directly we will go to the step one. Okay, in this we need to finish the skill badges. Okay, this one I already uploaded in the YouTube. Kindly go and check that video. And also when it comes to the second video, okay, we are going to do this lab at the moment. Okay, just right click, open in incognito mode. Okay, and after opening the lab, okay, after opening the lab, just click on continue and start the lab. Okay, just click on start. Launch with 5 credits, which this lab costs 5 credits. Okay, the lab got started. Now open this in incognito mode. Now click on this, agree and continue. Open the cloud shell, click on continue, click on authorize. Now I have already given the GitHub link in the description. Kindly go through that. Okay, just copy this, come over here, just paste the command over here, enter, wait for some time to execute. See, phase 1 and phase 2 got completed and phase 3 also completed. Remaining tasks are getting completed. Okay, yeah, wait for some time. So it's got executed. Now go back to the lab. Okay, now check over here. Now check 100 out of 100. So lab got executed. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.